is Srikanth. I am the owner of Rebel and RYE. This is a club cum disco party place for Hyderabadis. This is located in Filmnagar. Uh, we are open. We want to create the vibe. It's lounge by the day and club by the night. You get a nice airy feeling. It's an open rooftop. People come and can enjoy their drinks in the afternoon, cocktails. Uh, we have all the food: continental, Indian, tandoori, Chinese. So, and we're going to play DJs over the weekend, and we're planning to do some live bands. Thank you.
Sir, ఏంటి ఇక్కడ స్పెషాలిటీస్ డెవలప్
Uh, so, in Rebel and RYE, the cocktails are very good, and we want to create a niche for ourselves in terms of, you know, um, creating a vibe for both millennials as well as older people. So we have a mix of everything, and it's a cozy rooftop. That's our USP. You don't have any rooftops on this road, right? So that's our USP.
ఎనీ ఆఫర్స్ సార్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఆఫర్స్
Oh, currently we want to do some special events and then take it up from there. As of now, we just setting up. So yeah, that's the whole vibe.
ఓకే
ఆల్రెడీ హైదరాబాద్లో చూసుకుంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పబ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
Yes.
అలాగే మీ దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ స్పెషల్ ఏమన్నా?
Speciality only experience. That's the only thing which we can give to customers. Everybody has everything. The only thing which you can offer as a unique proposition is experience to customers. We want to give best food, best drinks, best ambience, best music, and that's the experience of trained staff attending to them, giving them world class experience, and that's what differentiates us.